y'all, what's up? Welcome back. So today we have unboxings, more unboxings. Yes. Listen, I have not been going crazy. I just have been waiting to open my things because coronavirus and stuff is real, and you know, I'm very nervous about these packages. One of them came from New York. You know, they have the highest numbers right now. What if somebody sneezed on it first? You know what I'm saying? So I've been very nervous. I've been chilling, but I got two unboxings. Two. One from Chanel and one from Gucci, and they're both vintage, but they're fire. They're fire. Oh, and both of them had repairs that need to be made. But I'm gonna do a separate video to show you guys how I do those repairs, so that you guys can stop passing up on great purses and great finds just because of something stupid. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing what I got and what I'm gonna unbox, then stay tuned. They're dope. Okay. And I have gloves on because of coronavirus. I'm not touching none of this stuff. Okay. What's her name?
Warisha.
How you say it?
Warisha.
Walisha. Walisha. So nice to meet ya. See you in the thrift with some shoes and some sneakers. That little skirt you picked was real fly. She turned around and she winked her eyes. So I stepped to her like I knew her. They were cool, but she was cooler. The bell rang, then she turned around. Saw the purses come, then she was out.
Warisha, why don't you just come and see? Join the YouTube family and Warisha, just the clothes that no one has, so they cannot drive her swag. And Warisha.
I think I know what's in this one, so let's open this one. And by the way, y'all, I hope these videos aren't boring. You know, if you like them, leave a comment. If you hate them, leave a comment. Let me know. If you want me to go back to just my regular, you know, my regular hauls where I show you how to dress dope with your thrift clothes, let me know. But if you like my unboxings, let me know that too. Okay, so I got it open. Put it down so y'all can't see my address. But this item, yeah, I'm pretty sure I know what it is. What it looks like. I ordered this off of eBay from a private seller, not a Japanese seller, which I usually don't do, but I know this bag. It's a vintage bag, and I know it well, so I'm not afraid. I feel pretty safe. I don't think I've ever seen a fake, and it's just a really dope little bag. And this is all the rage, this color. It's all the rage of the season. So cute. It's so cute. It's a little Gucci Soho little number, and it's got a little bit of dirt on it, but I will absolutely clean it because coronavirus stuff is real, so we want to make sure we're being safe. But like, it's so cute. The inside, the reason why I got it so cheap was because I don't know if you can see, but like the inside is like crap. It's peeling and all that, but I know how to fix all of that. And if you want a video on how I fix it, I'll show you. It's very easy. Really, you just use acetone and a Q-tip or whatever. Just go through the whole thing, and it's gonna make all of it soft. But this is the first thing I got. Super cute, little mini lime green Gucci tote Soho. I don't even think it's a tote. It's like a little Gucci handbag. I love it. It's so pretty. And if y'all knew how at the price that I got this for, you know, these are like, they're mad expensive in the stores. Anything with this big GG on it right now, and like, I don't even need the GG that much. I just needed a little bit. And like this bag, I was about to buy one, so For me to have a bag this color with this print on the front is just everything. I love it. Alright, I'm gonna stop rambling. Tell me what you think. It's mad cute. It's only the size of like my hand. If you want to have like a what's in my bag, if you want me to do one of those, put it in below and I can show you like what all can fit in here after I clean it. If you want to see me restore this bag and make the inside look brand new, put that below too and I will absolutely do it. But this is the first thing I got. So cute. Authentic little Gucci Soho with the messed up interior, but we do have the tab there with the number on the back and all of the official Gucci, made in Italy, all that, which you can see of it, but it is again vintage, so dope. So dope. Dope. Okay, so that's the first thing I got. Alright, now the second thing I got, I'm scared a little bit to open this one because I don't even want to touch my hair. Ugh. Ugh. I'll fling it on this side. Okay, so the second thing I got is in this box. I'm scared to open it because this box is from New York. And as you know, they have the highest number right now. But I'm also not excited. So I'm just going to pray that nothing happens to me. Lord, please let me be safe. Okay. And that we don't get coronavirus from opening this box from New York. So here we go. And to all of you who are saying that's stupid, mind your business. Okay, because I just want to be safe over here. So now, again, I only purchased it because I got it at a complete steal. Like a complete steal. Like a complete steal. Like, this is almost free. So because of that, I don't mind all of the repairs I'm gonna have to do because of how much I paid for it and because it's an extreme vintage. But it's because you know me and everything I buy is dope. I just love dope stuff. Okay, here we go. I hope this is dope. I hope it's not too raggedy. Let's see. Okay. So we got so far. What do you think it is? Did you put it in the comments yet? I want it one so bad. But the new ones, the current ones, are mad expensive. They're like $7,000, something like that. That's a hint too. Okay, so this is the next item. I love it. I love it. Like, first of all, this is so I got it at such a crazy deal. So let's talk about why I'm in such love. Okay, I got it at a crazy deal. 1, 2, I could always send this to the leather surgeon and like get them to fix my corners for me for dirt cheap. That's why it's important to buy leather, not ever patent leather. Like, I have a patent leather bag, but it's literally almost perfect, you know? And like, if you're gonna buy a bag that's not patent leather, it should be leather, because at least then you can get it. Like, if you're gonna buy a Chanel bag, it should be leather, because then you can send it off and get it fixed. Patent leather, you really can't, not so much. So anyway, this is what I got, and I love it. It's such a nice bag. It's in such good quality. It has the Chanel stamp inside. It has the little made in Italy little round one because it's vintage. It has a serial number deep down. It also comes with this really nice pouch with the Chanel little thing here, but my thing is ratty, if you can see. Of course, it's leather in the middle of it though, so it just looks like the string came out, which is nice. I am really very impressed with this bag. It's actually way nicer than it looked on the photos. On the photos, it looked like it was just trashed, which is probably why nobody bid it and why I got it so cheap. But like in person, it's not that bad. This is really not that bad. Who cares? I'm not that deep about these little stupid corners, and I will fix them. Like, now, if anybody knows how I get the leather pieces here, so I can replace those. That's really the only thing that I really need now is the leather to put in between my straps so that I can sew it down and just make it perfect. But I stand. Tell me what you think. Do you like this video? And if you do like the video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and tell me what you think. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I really appreciate y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I hope you guys like my bags. I really, really hope you guys do. I love them both. If you are interested in seeing how I restore them, then please put that in the comment below, and I'll make a video and show you guys how I do it. I'm definitely gonna get ready to clean them now, and I wasn't gonna do that on camera, but I might. So if you want to see even a cleaning video, then leave that down below too. And make sure that you guys are subscribed and you hit the bell, because I have more videos coming this week. I have some clothes that I wanted to show you guys that I got before all this lockdown happened, and I was going to do a video and I didn't do the video. But I feel like I should definitely show you guys, because there were some dope cops, and I'm going to be selling a lot of the things that I am copping from now on. I'm not going to be selling it all, but I am going to be selling some of it. So please make sure that you are a part of my Instagram, because I will be listing the things that I want to sell on my Instagram page, and then you can just do a PayPal invoice and I'll send everything out like that. So my Instagram is Simply Wah. It will be listed below in the description box. And until next time, peace. Subscribe.